Rohini Devasher's work is imaginative, coming from a place of utter awe. We might all see the same sky, but through Rohini's eyes, it is a sight of endless, complex wonder.
I've been an amateur astronomer pretty much as long as I've been an artist. And I joined the Amateur Astronomers Association in New Delhi at the planetarium the same year I joined Art College in Delhi. But it was never something that I think I recognized as being something that might feed the work. That happened later. We are all so familiar with the idea of the blue marble, the image of the Earth when it was seen from space, which, after the Cold War replaced the mushroom cloud as sort of this iconic image around which the whole planet rallied. So I was interested in, okay, can we look at our Earth again, but slightly differently perhaps, the blue marble, but from our perspective on the ground. So what you see with atmospheres is us, our planet, but from the ground. So it's a fisheye lens pointed at the zenith, straight up, through these very thin telescopes.
In the work, space, seen from Earth, looks a bit like Earth seen from space. Another installation of hers, called Terrasphere, also captures our changing environment, from the development of forests to the path of the Earth around the sun.
It is essentially 52 still images which have been made in Photoshop. And what happens is that they've been put through a dissolve just in a video editing software. And what will happen is over the course of 10 minutes, the surface of the terrarium or the terrasphere is going to fog up and levels of humidity and moisture will build, and you'll also see a development and a growth of the foliage within that. So there is this sense of transition and of movement, and also it'll shift from night to dark.
40 years ago, the blue marble image, that sight of our planet and its fragility, inspired people to protect the planet. Likewise, these works don't promote an agenda or push a policy. They explore our environment as it is and shift our perspectives on what we know. The result reminds us of what's at stake.